Gene Stanfield. Gene Stanfield is an American politician who was elected to the New Jersey General Assembly to represent the 8th Legislative District on November 5, 2019. Stanfield previously served as Sheriff of Burlington County from 2002 to 2019. Burlington County Sheriff. First elected sheriff in 2001, Stanfield was re-elected 5 times as sheriff. On February 22, 2019, she announced she would not run for a 7th term in 2019 and would resign as sheriff on May 1 of that year. New Jersey Assembly. After the 8th District's Senator Donna Diego switched her party from Republican to Democrat in early 2019, one of the district's sitting assemblyman, Joe Howarth, reportedly attempted to do the same. The Burlington County Republican Party dropped support for Howarth. In the primary election, Howarth heavily tied himself to President Donald Trump. However, Stanfield and Peters beat Howarth. Stanfield, a resident of Westampton Township, and Peters faced off against Democrats Mark Natale and Gina LaPlaca in the general election. Peters and Stanfield won by a little over 1,100 votes. Committees: Education, Human Services, Law and Public Safety. New Jersey Senate. In the 2021 general election, Stanfield is running as a candidate for the New Jersey State Senate against incumbent Democrat Donna Diego. With 2 weeks left before Election Day, the race for the 3 seats in the legislature had already attracted $3 million in spending by the candidates and outside groups. Diego had a 12-1 fundraising margin over Stanfield. Electoral history. Assembly. Sheriff. References ==